Hello and welcome. This video is brought to you by the Minnesota Department of Health. We are going to show you about the rights people have when living at group homes and residences that are supervised. You have the right to appropriate medical and personal care based on your needs. In this video, you will see an example of how a person was not provided with medical care.
Katie,
What?
what are you doing?
I'm not feeling very well today.
You're fine.
I am not fine. I need a doctor. I got the bubblies, the cough. I got sweats. I'm just not feeling good today.
You're fine. You do not need a doctor.
Yes, I need a doctor.
You need to go to your room.
I need a doctor.
I'm gonna go make dinner.
I need a doctor.
What you just saw was a resident who felt sick but was not offered medical care. You have the right to medical care. The resident said she needed a doctor, but the staff dismissed her request. While the resident might not have needed a doctor, the staff did not take her request seriously. Medical care might include staff taking her temperature or calling a nurse to see if she really needed a doctor. Ignoring the resident's request to see a doctor violated her rights to appropriate medical care. If you or someone who speaks for you feels that the right kind of medical or personal care is not being provided, you can file a complaint. Know your rights. If you want to file a complaint or report suspected maltreatment of a vulnerable adult, call the Minnesota Adult Abuse Reporting Center, MAARC, at 1-844-880-1574. Staff are available to take your call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Minnesota encourages good faith reporting of suspected maltreatment of vulnerable adults by any person. If you make a report, your identity is confidential and cannot be released without a court order. You can also go to the Minnesota Department of Health website for a full list of the Bill of Rights for supervised living facilities and other videos. www.health.state.mn.us. For Minnesota residents, contact the Office of Ombudsman for Mental Health and Developmental Disabilities, OMHDD. Know your rights. If you or someone you know is in need of legal aid, the Minnesota Disability Law Center, MDLC, provides free, civil, legal assistance to individuals with disabilities statewide on legal issues related to their disabilities. Abuse and neglect issues are a high priority for the Minnesota Disability Law Center. For assistance, visit the Mid-Minnesota Legal Aid Minnesota Disability Law Center website at www.mylegalaid.org or call 1-800-292-4150. You can also reach the Minnesota Disability Law Center by email at mndlc@mylegalaid.org.